Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can earn money by collaborating with brands using an AI influencer. So for instance, go to the direct chat first and then generate images and then add in a photo of your product. These are just some random glasses. And then type in create a photo of an influencer wearing these glasses and then press enter. Select agree as well. You can also select the kind of AI you want to use. I'll use Nano Banana for this one. And then once you're done, you can kind of ask brands if they want to collaborate with you. And you'll generate these kind of ads with them. But yeah, that is pretty much it. This is what the image looks like with those glasses. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.